What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. What? Okay. I don't know who told future Suzie to come interrupt, but baby, we didn't need you here yet. Anyways, so today, y'all, we're gonna be doing the look that you saw future Suzie. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna do a full transformation for you. I'm gonna lay my wig, which I don't never do, but I'm gonna do it today for y'all. I'm gonna do my makeup, and we just gonna have a full complete look to do nothing and go nowhere and wipe it off, because that's what we do for Instagram content. All right, I'm not gonna talk too much. This is probably gonna be a voiceover for the most part because I have to really concentrate. So get into it. Listen to the sounds of my 8-year-old nephew K-Fizzle on the beat. All right. All right, let's get it back. A cracking? I don't know. I'm still tripping now? I'm confused. So I'm just spraying it down with water so I can pull the hairs back in one direction to prime them or prep them for laying this wig and making it easier to lay. You usually will want to do this step before you cut your lace, like when you first get your wig, but obviously this wig is very old. The last time I wore this wig was Christmas 2019, and then shortly after that I moved, so it's been in a box for several months now, so she is crusted and disgusted. Anyways, I'm using an alcohol pad to clean off any excess makeup or whatever. You can't have anything on your skin when you're doing these, adhering the lace to your face, skin, whatever. When you're using sprays and glues and whatever. Shut up, y'all, I'm sleepy. So, okay, I'm using the Got2b spray, and I know I had did that ORS video, but I'm just not comfortable with the ORS Fix It Grip Gel right now. Shortly after I did that video, it actually, the lace lifted, so I don't know. And I'm using a blow dryer now, which I didn't do with the ORS, and I think I should have, because the heat helps it get tackier faster. So the next time I try to use the ORS, I'll see if it works better with using a blow dryer. But as of now, we're gonna stick with what we know, and Got2b works. So I'm just using a comb to kind of melt the lace into the skin, since we've already applied that hold-in spray, and just brush, combing the hairs back in the back direction. I hate voiceovers. So now moving on to the sides, the ear tabs, the temples, whatever. Let me know down in the comments below if y'all feel like the ear tabs or like the temple part is the hardest part to lay. Like for me, I just feel like it never sticks, and that's why, well, that's one of the reasons why I don't like to do this, because it's stupid. It never sticks on my temples. I don't know if my temples like indent too far inside my head. I don't know, baby, but it irritates the crap out of me. Like I can never just get that part to stay down forever. Anyways, I want y'all to see something real quick. Did you see it? Did you? Hold on. It's gonna happen again. Hold on. Just wait. Scout! Sorry. Turn your volume down. My bad. I should have said that before. I said it now. Okay. Sorry. It just got to me. It was a really emotional moment. When you have 613 hair, you don't need to bleach your knots, but you should dye your knots a brown color to match your skin tone to make it look like that. I'll put what I use down in the description box, y'all. I'ma always put y'all on game, okay? Whew. All right, let's get down to the fun part, because laying wigs is not fun for me. Making them is fun. Laying them, that's not fun. That's why I don't do those things. Anyways, I did it for y'all, so y'all left me yet. So we're gonna do a fun makeup look to kind of go with this hair. Since I've already done my foundation, I'm just gonna powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout. Y'all know how we do over here. All right, so this is gonna be like a really simple kind of look, but it's gonna look like it's complicated, but it's not. So we're gonna take a dark brown. This is Credit from the Aina palette, and place it in our crease. Blend that out. You want to take it all the way to the head of your brow, and then down into the inner corner. So pretty much all over. Right? Okay, we're gonna take this dark purple, which is Big Wig, out of the same palette, the Aina palette, and on that outer V, the outer corner, just kind of blend that in softly. And if you notice, I'm holding my brush kind of towards the end because I don't want a big payoff on the color. We talked about that before. So basically, the further you hold your brush back, the less payoff you'll get, the more blown out the effect will be. The closer you hold your brush, the more concentrated the color will be. So now we're gonna take this Stilla liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Psychic. And if you see, it's like this iridescent kind of blue color. And we're gonna take that on our lid, but we're gonna bring it up higher than our lid, like into that crease. And we're gonna take a brush and blend it out. All right, that's done. And we're not gonna do much to that part. We're just gonna go into the inner corner with Trust Issues. Same palette. I'm going to line my lid. Oh my God. See how perfect that is? I ain't touching it. Ain't, won't, shan't, and can't. All right, we're gonna put mascara, lashes, and then I'll be back. All right, y'all, the grand reveal to see if this. Y'all see how impatient I am? Like, I couldn't even take that off the right way because I'm just impatient. And this is why I don't like wigs. This is why I don't do them. I'm impatient. So when you have a lace frontal or closure, the best thing that you can do to make them look realistic is tint the lace. All right, so that's the completed look. Thank y'all for watching. If you want to see more of these like transformation videos where we do wigs and makeup at the same time, please comment down below. Like this video. The more likes I get, the more I know you like this. I just have to know what y'all like. So let me know. Talk to me. Be my friend. But anyway, please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification, because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't be notified the next time I upload. And if you're not notified the next time I upload, you're gonna go search my name, and that's Brushwork by Suzie Bougie. That's a lot of words. I'm just trying to help you find me easier. Help me help you find me. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.